How to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. You can use either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the Search tab in the bottom right corner, then tap the search bar at the top and type Amazon Shopping. From the search results, look for the official Amazon Shopping app published by AMZN Mobile LLC. Next, tap the Get button. If you've downloaded the app before, you may see the cloud download icon instead. Tap it to reinstall the app. If prompted, verify the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will now begin downloading and installing automatically. Wait until the installation is complete. Once it's finished, tap Open to launch the app. You can also open it later from your home screen or app library. When you open the app for the first time, sign in with your existing Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, tap Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you'll be ready to browse products, place orders, track deliveries, and manage your Amazon account directly from your iPhone. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.